Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Mac and cheese. Okay, so we're going to add salt or water and bring it up to a boil, and make sure and follow your package instructions as to how to cook your macaroni. Okay, so there I'm adding the macaroni now to the boiling water. Now we have, this is a cheese sauce, so pause and take a look, the ingredients that you need for it. So in that pot I have 2 cups of milk, and then I'm putting in the 1/4 cup of butter, and then we're going to put everything else in. The 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, the 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to slowly whisk in our 1/4 cup of flour. Okay, you want to slowly whisk in the flour, and that is to prevent it from clumping. Okay, so mix or whisk everything well. I also added some black pepper as well. And now we're going to add in our cheese, because after all, it's a cheese sauce. So add in whatever cheese you prefer. I used cheddar cheese and also Parmesan cheese. Unfortunately, I didn't get the Parmesan cheese that I really like at that point in time, which is you want to grate. So if you can get the one that you can grate, that's the better one to use. So after you have combined your cheese sauce, now you add your cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce, and you just mix everything. So that's the Parmesan cheese that I had gotten, and so yeah, I'm adding it to it now, but that's not the one I prefer to use. Like I said, the better one is the grated one. Now, in order to add a little texture to the top of the mac and cheese, I crushed up some multigrain chips, and then I added it to the top to give that crunch. So once everything is combined nicely, which is your macaroni and your cheese sauce, you just add everything now to your baking dish. And then we're gonna sprinkle the top with our multigrain chips, and also with some of the Parmesan cheese as well. Okay, so we're gonna add more Parmesan cheese to the top of it. And then we put it in our oven. We're gonna bake this at about between 30 to 35 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, once it's all golden and bubbly, guys, your mac and cheese is complete. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.